Hey guys, I'm back. So today we have a pair that has been vlogged about, discussed about pretty much the past few days since it dropped. So this particular pair is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Chicago. So this particular pair dropped in November 15. However, I was able to get early access on this, and for some odd reason, I wasn't I wasn't very particular in vlogging this thing right away. Also, the store where I got them from, like a week before the release, didn't really release the shoes until the 15th. So kind of depicts the purpose of getting an early access and stuff. However, I was cool with that, and as you can see, it's now almost December and days have passed since I picked it up, and I still didn't get a chance to vlog it because I was trying to make this thing um, more, a little bit more educational as far as the evolution of the low OGs and different cuts. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that first. Okay, so guys, as you know, they have a Nike Air Jordan 1 Low. Okay, and that particular one is like very very typical. Okay, so let's just move on to the low OG. Okay, this is the example of the low OG in the wheat colorway. They say this is called the Rookie of the Year low OG. And this particular pair, ladies and gentlemen, you will notice that this particular pair only has one, two, three, four, five, six, seven eyelets. Okay, seven eyelets, guys. And you will notice that the swoosh is very you could say like it's perfect, but it's small. And then in the back you will see that is just like a sticker Wings logo. Okay, and these are the particular pointers that you will see change once they start releasing the other kinds of low OG. Okay, um, the outsole, they're all the same. The toe box, there's going to be differences there too. As you can see, the toe box of this is very very narrow and pointy. Okay, so now I'm going to grab another pair of mine. This is called, let me put the other one down so I can so I'll just be holding one. Okay, and then now what we have here is the low OG 85 cut. Okay, or the low OG 85s. Okay, this is the low OG 85 in metallic blue. Okay, one of the OG colors. Okay, so now you will notice here, so this thing has 8 eyelets. Okay, that is very noticeable, and that's like the indicator of the 85 cut. Okay, and you will see that the toe box right there, the low OG has a smaller toe box area compared to the 85 cut. Okay, that is very noticeable. And then you will see that in the back they both just share the same thing of like a sticker Wings logo. However, you will notice here that the area of the liner, this thing is, the 85 cut is padded. This white one is more padded than the other one. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty much where you can see that. And they also share the same perfect looking swoosh and stuff. However, this is a little bit bigger in comparison to the other one. Okay, so now I can finally show you what this Chicago is all about now, because I really like the way Nike and Jordan did this one. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and take them out the box. Okay, I actually got two pairs because I really like these to be in my collection, and a backup one just in case I ruin it and I have a backup. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the pair already. Okay, this comes in a regular black and red box, and the description is Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Varsity Red, Black, Summit White. Okay, let's go grab the other one as well. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, I've already done a lace swap, so you guys have an idea of how it looks like in white laces and in black laces. Okay, so I particularly like, although both of them are winners, okay, I particularly like to talk about it in this white laces, because that's just how I feel like what's best for my fits and style. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this. Okay, so now this particular cut is way different from these other two that I showed you. The very obvious trait or looks of this that's different is the swoosh, guys. If I were to show you the first one swoosh, you will notice that from here to here, this is smaller, and this is more like like the, or I would say like the perfect kind. Okay, it's very even and everything, whereas this one right here kind of dips a little bit down here. Okay, and then if we look at the other one compared to this, the 85 cut, you will notice that this has a bigger swoosh. I mean, this compared to the wheat, it got bigger, but this one is still bigger. Okay, and at the same time, this one is just the big one with the with a perfect swoosh and stuff, whereas this one is the big one that's kind of have that dip down there or bulge down there or something. Okay, and you will notice also that the liner area, the inner liner area, this one is still thicker, and this one is about as thin as the low OG. Okay, so however, if you look at the toe box of this, the 85 cut still has the bigger toe box. Okay, in comparison to this. However, if you compare the third one, I don't know if I can do this holding three shoes at the same time, but you will notice that their toe boxes are all different in sizes. Okay, I could tell. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and then when you look at the back, you look at the back of this, guys. The back right there, you will see that the Chicago's wings are debossed. Okay, and the other ones are just like kind of like a sticker. Okay, so I don't want to drop all these things, but that is why it's taken me a while to vlog about this, because I really want to compare all of what's significant in the change. Okay, and they really did for me. Okay, For me, they really did a justice if you compare this thing to the 2016 Low OG. Okay, and I know that to other people, they prefer the 2016 Low OG, and again, by personal preference, you know, maybe to them that looks great or whatever. But for me, I really like this one. Okay, and this is the reason why I doubled up on these stuff. Okay, and the color is truly varsity red, and then the crispy white midsole and the crispy white leather on the panels on the toe box, they're just right in the money. I'm Although I like the sail look, I kind of prefer it to be crispy white because you know back then these shoes that comes out, they're all crispy white and stuff, and we kind of the company just kind of start using these sail just to show some age or something like that, so that we pretty much jumping into the process and stuff by having it a sail color and stuff. But this one right here will turn into sail some other time after many years of usage or anything like that. And as far as the sail is concerned, I also have one. Oh, here we go. My other favorite shoe is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG 85 cut. And this one right here is like my slippers because this thing is well beat up. Okay, and as you can see, this came out with sail midsole, and in comparison to this, but this is one of the OG colorways also, being the gray. Okay, but yeah, this one right here is I have put so much miles on these things, so but I really like this too. Anyway, so guys, I don't know if you were able to track what I was trying to say here, and this is why I didn't want to just vlog about how the shoe looks just by itself without comparing it to the others, because I'd be talking about the others without showing, and so I waited a little bit and try to make sure that you get something out of this vlog by me comparing the Low OG, the Low OG 85 cut, and the Low OG 2025 Chicago. Other than that, guys, thank you very much for sticking to my channel, and I really hope that you guys are well. I really hope that you guys are healthy, and until the next pair, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.